Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today I will be unboxing the Apple Macbook Air. The MacBook comes in this brown unsuspecting box, which is great as it does not draw unwanted attention. And here is the real packaging for the MacBook Air. It is very clean and simple, with a photo of the MacBook on the top of the box. There is also the text MacBook Air on the sides with a few Apple logos thrown in for good measure, just in case you forgot what you ordered. Let's take a look at the specs. You can pause and read it. Let's get this open. Firstly, remove the plastic wrap. Then slide the top of the box up. First up, you're greeted with the MacBook in this very sleek silver colorway. Let's put this aside and take a look at the accessories first. Here is a look at the quick start guide. This is the AC wall plug and the power adapter. One cool aspect of this power adapter is you can purchase interchangeable wall plugs to fit any country. One thing Apple does really well is presentation. Have you ever seen a power cable look this good? Finally, let's take a look at the MacBook Air. First impressions, this feels solid and very sleek. On the right, you have the Thunderbolt and USB port. On the left, you have the magnetic power connector, another USB port, and a headphone port. Here is the shot of the MacBook, its keyboard layout, and overall specs. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Shout out to Gerald, Mr. MacGyver, for helping me rig the tripod stand. It worked great. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments below your thoughts on compact notebooks.